delegates of 4th World Ayurved Congress. Myself, Dr. Jagriti Sharma, MD Scholar, NIA Jaipur. I am presenting my work of evaluation of Kaak-Tinduk-Vati and Nagradi Churn in vincristine-induced painful neuropathy in rats. Pain. Pain is an unpleasant sensation or condition which can be experienced universally alive both by humans and animals. Among them, neuropathic pain is described as the most terrible of all tortures which a nerve can inflict. Neuropathic pain may arise from the wide variety of injuries of peripheral or central nerve, including metabolic disorders, traumatic injury, inflammation, and neurotoxicity. It is characteristic by sensory abnormalities such as unpleasant and abnormal sensation known as dysesthesia, increased response to noxious stimuli, that is hyperalgesia, pain in response to non-noxious stimulus, that's allodynia. Common causes of neuropathy are cancer, AIDS, long-standing diabetes, lumbar disc syndromes, herpes, infections, etc. Among them, it occurs frequently in cancer as a result of peripheral nerve damage or as a side effect of many chemotherapeutic agents. It's not only impact the quality of life, but it's also impact the patient's outcome because of resulting treatment delays, dose reductions, and discontinuation. Neuropathic pain feels like burning, tingling, shooting, stabbing, hot, cold, and touch sensitive. As per in Ayurveda, or defined pain in control of Shof while describing the role of Tridosh, as Sushruta has quoted that the Vata is responsible for Vedana, Pitta for ripening, and Kapha for formation of pus. Aparting from this, Charak described the various pains just like neuropathic pain as Spandana, Khar Parush, Bhinnatva Gromha, Chityate, Vidyate, Pidyate, if Suchi bhir ev Tudyate, Piplika bhir ev Sansrpete, Sarshap Kalka Viplip, if Chimchimayate, Sankuchete, Amyate, Ivepti Vatshotaha. Vincristine. Vincristine is an alkaloid extracted from periwinkle plant Vinca rosia, family Apocynaceae, used as a chemotherapeutic agent in various malignancy. Clinically used, is associated with the sensory motor nephropathy. The painful paresthesias are usually the first symptoms in majority of the patients. Material and methods. The Wistar albino rats of either sex weighing 180 to 250 grams are taken. The drug and reagents. The drug Kaak-Tinduk-Vati mentioned in the Rash Tantra Sar Vasiddhayog Prayag Sangrah by Kaleda publication and Nagradi Churn from the NIA formulary procured from the NIA pharmacy. The Kaak-Tinduk-Vati contain kuchla as a main ingredient which is purified in the different method in castor oil, Trikatu, Trifla, Loban, Fool, Karpur, and the Bhavna is given by the Nagvalli Swaras. Nagradi Churn contain kuchla and shunthi. Induction of neuropathic pain by vincristine. The peripheral neuropathy was induced in rats by the administration of vincristine sulfate for 10 consecutive days. Nociceptive threshold were assessed on different days, that is 1, 0, 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15th, 18th, and the 21st day. The behavior examination was tested by the heat hyperalgesia by hot plate test, mechanical hyperalgesia by pinprick test, heat allodynia by tail immersion test, cold hyperalgesia by tail immersion test, and cold allodynia by acetone test. The experimental protocol is the group first is taken as the normal control. The group second is taken by as the vincristine control. In vincristine control, the vincristine was administered to normal rats for 10 consecutive days from 0 to 9, and the behavior tests are assessed from 0 to subsequent days on 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21st. Group third is of Nagradi Churn, and group fourth is Kaak-Tinduk Churn. In this, the rat was administered with these drugs for after the 4 consecutive doses of vincristine for the 16 consecutive days, and the behavioral test and biochemical parameters are then assessed. And the group fifth is contained gabapentin. Biochemical estimations by thiobarbiturate acid and the reduced glutathione levels. As we see in the results, the vincristine results in the development of heat and cold hyperalgesia, and the cold allodynia reflected a significant decrease in withdrawal threshold of hind paw as compared to the control group. After the administration of Kaak-Tinduk-Vati and Nagradi Churn and gabapentin, attenuated vincristine induced increase in nociceptive threshold in significant manner. The same we see in the oxidative stress markers. The vincristine result in significant decrease in the level of T bars and reduced glutathione, and increase in the level of T bars as compared to the control. Administration of Kaak-Tinduk-Vati and Nagradi Churn induced decrease in the sciatic nerve GSS levels and increase in the levels of T bars. Discussion. In the present investigation, vincristine administered significantly reduced nociceptive threshold for both noxious and non-noxious stimuli, and the treatment with Kaak-Tinduk-Vati and Nagradi Churn and gabapentin attenuated vincristine-induced alteration in nociceptive threshold hyperalgesia, suggesting it anti-nociceptive potential in vincristine-induced neuropathy. Kaktindukvati as compared to Nagradi churn can play an important role in anti-nociceptive action in vincristine-induced nephropathy. Further researches are required to check the action of Kaktindukvati in combination with gabapentin. Thank you.